Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I have a very fun recipe for you. I'm making some homemade popsicles in these lovely popsicle makers that I found on Amazon. So let's hop right into it. So for the strawberry mixture, I'm adding 2 cups of frozen strawberries into a blender. You can also use a food processor, a half cup of canned coconut milk, the juice of 1 whole lime, 2 tablespoons of organic cane sugar. You can use agave or pure maple syrup, and 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Also, if you don't want to use canned coconut milk, you can use 1 frozen banana. Now I'm just pouring half of the mixture into the popsicle mold. For the tropical mixture, I'm adding 1 cup of frozen peaches, 1 cup of frozen pineapples, 1 frozen banana, the juice of 1 whole lime, 2 tablespoons of organic cane sugar, and 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. That I used frozen banana, it came out a little bit thicker, so I'm going to spoon it into the top instead of pouring it. And once you do this, it's finished. You just have to put the popsicle sticks in, and then we're going to put it into the freezer for at least 8 hours, but I like to freeze mine overnight. And then it's finished. I had some leftover tropical smoothie, so I'm going to put it in my other popsicle molds. Nothing wrong with some extra popsicles. Once the popsicles are frozen, I just submerge it in some warm water for a few seconds and they easily come out. Just look at this popsicle. Time to taste it. That's delicious. It's fruity and creamy. My favorite. I honestly don't even see myself buying popsicles. I'd much rather make a healthy popsicle at home. It's easy, you just gotta whip it up in the blender or a food processor, and there you go. This is a perfect summer treat. He bought me a popsicle and he loved it. Now he wants mine. If you have children, great activity to do with them during the summer. It's like a sorbet, but in popsicle form. Okay, well, I'm gonna finish my popsicle. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please make these easy and delicious popsicles, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.